Tana Mongeau is going viral right now for the photo she posted to her Instagram that was taken during the People's Choice Awards red carpet event. But she's not going viral because she looks amazing or because she was nominated for Social Star of the Year. She's going viral because she went so far with the Facetune she looks nothing like herself in the photos she posted. What is gravy? You are watching InformOverload. I'm Charlotte Dobray. Subscribe for a different take on the news, turn on the bell so you're the first to find out about trending content, and follow the IO team on Instagram and Twitter. We finally reached 10K on the IO Instagram, so that means we're gonna start posting swipe up news bulletins to our stories, and I'm really excited about it in case you can't tell. Alright guys, we gotta talk about Miss Tana Mongeau and her worst case of extreme photo editing yet. As many of you probably know, the People's Choice Awards were over the weekend and they took place on Sunday, November 10th. Tana Mongeau was nominated for Social Star of 2019, as was Shane Dawson, the Dolan twins, Emma Chamberlain, and David Dobrik. David Dobrik ended up taking home the award. Tana obviously looked bomb, so she wanted to post a photo of her taken by Getty image photographer Todd Williamson. But the photos she posted to Instagram literally look nothing like her. If you've been watching my videos about the top 10 influencers who look nothing like their photos in real life, you know that they are made possible because Getty image photographers post their unedited photos to databases online that anyone can access. That's why it's possible to get both the unedited version and the version an influencer or celebrity posts to their Instagram page. Someone posted the two photos side by side of Tana on the Instagram reality subreddit, and right now it has 21,000 votes. Check out this video that shows just how much she changed about the original photo. I know. It's like, why? So I can't say that I'm really that surprised that Tana posted an edited version of the red carpet photo. She's been very open about the fact that she uses Facetune. Tana and Facetune go hand in hand. When she was asked what her skin routine is, she said Facetune. The thing that bothers me the most about this is, like, I can't, she's so beautiful without editing. Why are you doing that? This is the best photo I have ever seen of Tana. She looks stunning unedited, but she still edited it to the point where she looks absolutely nothing like herself. Like, her chin is a completely different shape. She changed the shape of her skull. She changed the color and shape of her eyebrows and the color of her eyeshadow. That's something you gotta tell the makeup artist, sweetie, if you want that color eyeshadow. You don't gotta put it on Facetune. Even her skin is a different color than the original photo. I don't even know if she's using Facetune at this point anymore. I feel like she's using an entirely different app. Like Facetune 2, like, you know that app that you see Instagram ads for and there's that girl and her eyes get bigger randomly and then her chin gets smaller. Like, I feel like that's what she's using. There were plenty of reactions to Tana's edited photo online. Many people reacted positively toward the photo, other people not so much. Here are some reactions on Twitter. The difference between the original picture and the one Tana posted, I am truly scared. Next, I can't, at Tana Mongeau. Next, you can't Facetune Getty Images, Tana Mongeau. Next, my new favorite thing, going to the Getty Images website and seeing celebrities' pictures before Photoshop. For example, Tana Mongeau. It looks nothing like her. People Facetune so much now. That's why I try to tell myself that the Instagram models we see don't look like that in person. And lastly, mama, this is fraud. This is why people, including myself, are so stuck in our heads about needing to look a certain way. That last comment though, this is exactly what I've been saying. We look at these celebrities and influencers on Instagram and in magazines, and we feel bad about ourselves because their standard of beauty is completely unattainable by natural means. But not even those celebrities and influencers are able to achieve their standard of beauty through natural means. They have to completely reshape their jaws to look the way they want to look. I actually feel pretty sorry for Tana because she feels like she has to edit herself to this degree. I don't know, I kind of picture Tana being like really drunk in the back of the limo and just like doing some shit to Facetune and posting it without looking twice. Cause like honestly it's a bit much, even for Tana. Tell me your thoughts on this one down in the comments, guys. For now I'm gonna quickly respond to some comments from my video. I forgot to put what video it was, so deal with it. Deanne Radoslavov. Is that your name? Oh, I said it right. I'm honestly in love with Charlotte's personality. Well, hello there, said yes, love this channel, always new tea. I love your screen name. It kind of reminds me of that scene from Friends with Ross and Rachel. Well, hello, Mrs. Ross. Well, hello, Mr. Rachel. Just me? Rebecca Becca said, I'm so glad IO keeps things real, that's why I love this channel. We try to keep things very real. Very, very real indeed. Might make you uncomfortable, but Ethereal said, sis, your tea plus already wearing a wig equals overheating and heat stroke. Is that better? Here, wait. Some tier list papers. You okay? Alright, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want more. Stick around for some bonus content, and I'm gonna see you in a future IO video. Nominated for Social Star of 2019, and as was Shane Dawson, the Dolan twins, and Emmerich. As was Shane Dawson, the Dolan twins. Check out this gift that shows. Hello, second camera. I kind of forgot you were there. How's it going? I haven't seen you in a little while. And I have to go back. I think that's what men did to bow. Yeah. But is that a curtsy or is that like a hello, I am a courtier? Right? Yes. Is it blurry? I'm in a really weird mood today, guys. I don't.